Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you a classic and traditional sweet from Bengal. This is a very famous sweet in my husband's house. This is his grandma's recipe. Here we have to follow three simple steps. So let's see the steps. The first step is to preparing the rabri. We called it kheer in Bengali. Second step is making the puri dough. Third step is preparing chashni. Fourth step is assembling everything together. Let's see the ingredients for stuffing. Milk 1 liter. One cup of sugar. If you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. Ingredients for puri. Maida 1 cup. Ingredients for chashni. 2 cup of sugar, 2 green cardamom crushed. Let's prepare the stuffing. Take milk in a heavy bottom saucepan and set it to boil. Keep boiling the milk while stirring it continuously for about 60 to 90 minutes. During this entire time, the pot should be on medium to low heat. Once the milk has thickened, add sugar. Our rabri or kheer is ready now. Allow the kheer to cool before proceeding to the next stage. Let's prepare the puri dough. In maida, add little water at a time and knead well to form a dough. The dough should not be soft but little stiff and tight, and keep aside. Let's prepare the chashni. Take a pan big enough to hold the water and sugar together. Add sugar, cardamom, 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. Mix well sugar and water and bring it to a boil. After around 20 minutes of cooking on low flame, our 1 string sugar syrup should be ready. Divide the dough into small pieces and roll out into small circles. Add a spoonful of filling in the middle of one of the rolled puri. Seal it with another puri. Now heat oil for deep frying and fry this puri on both sides till golden brown. Drop the kheer puris in sugar syrup and allow it to soak for 10 minutes. Repeat the same with the remaining puris. Drain the kheer puris from the sugar syrup and serve. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.